Now I want to go into a bit of background before showing off this particular beetleweight. Now this was supposed to be a part of a group of 6 loaner beetleweights, which would be on loan for a private event during a convention, but it was supposed to be happening in 2020, but the event I submitted for the convention got poor treatment and handling, and also there were claims that the hotel where the convention was held didn't feel comfortable with it, but there was also a lot of other complications that I'm not prepared to go into or publicly comment on further, but it wasn't really looking good for the future anyway, and the convention isn't likely to happen for 2021 given the time it's usually held in. But I will try submitting the event for 2022 because conventions, regardless of whatever they are for, whether it's anime, gaming, whatever the hell I'm making a mess of this, I'm so sorry, but whatever convention is out there, they should be a thing in 2022. But this was going to be one of 6. It was as you can see, it's a 2-wheel drive front hinge lifting weapon. Now, the reason I can't use this for the event is because the overall quality, mainly the chassis printed out. The electronics are fine, they function well, and the weapon works really well. But if I flip it upside down, you can see where quality has gone downhill from here, where a lot of these strands have come off. There's also a bit around the back here. I can't really show it off very well, but you can just about see a lot of strands. Actually, if I zoom in there, you probably can't. No, that's not going to work. So there's more here, and if I flip it back round, you can just see layers peeled off there, and on that side as well somewhere. Now, this was only because of something I did. I made the mistake of printing this with a layer height of 0.4. The actual weapon is fine, but the next time I do reprint this, I'm going to try and get this deliberately destroyed at whatever beetleweight event happens next, and do a complete full reprint and use the electronics out of this. But I will be trialling this design out along with AtmosFear, which I've yet to make a video about, but it is another 2-wheel drive vertical disc spinner, which was also supposed to be one of the group of 6, so that's 2 of 6, and there was also another one which was just a 4-wheel drive rammer, but I've still got a few minor bits to do to that, and then it should be completed. But here is the front hinge lifter under the sky's Friendface, which I2 crowd reference, wink wink wink, and let's just stop making this absolute mess of an intro and just get on to showing off the robot. See how the eye's just gone. Let's try this self-righting. Now, it can run upside down, but not quite in this form because of where the removable link is placed. But when I do the reprint, it's going to be placed round there, on that side, just right behind the wedge. But if I do flip it upside down, so as you can see, yeah, it can't really run upside down very well, or like it's supposed to. But if I just go 360 degrees, so it can self-right. Just did it off camera. Then let's just try that one more time. God knows what's going to happen here. So. Let's try that again. Well, that wasn't supposed to happen. Yeah. Oh, come on. So I don't have a lot of heavy stuff to test the weapon against, so here's a 2 kilogram bag of sugar, which is 500 grams more than the UK weight limit, so here we go. So in this box is a kilogram brushless motor, which I'm using in a secret heavyweight project I'm keeping on the Dowlow one. Should be fine if I flip it, but here we go. Let's try that. I don't think it's gonna... Uh-oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. Doesn't want out that way. It's the last one, I think I'll call it, and then...